Oh, good morning, wanderers. And check out the weather. It's a little bit better than yesterday. Ah, Daisy. She doesn't like being left out in the rain. There we go. Now, as I was saying, the weather is fantastic today. For a change, aren't we blessed? Sure. As we're here, we'll have a quick look down at Crookhaven, the town, while we're here. I get Daisy to dry up. Now these are those plants I was telling you about. That one is on Daisy from Tremor. See? Flowers. Now hopefully Daisy won't play any tricks on us today. But look at this for a little... Oh, couldn't see across the river last night really. Great to get an idea of what's out there. Now, we'll just drive down to the pier. Look at that. I must look up what that great infrastructure is there in the rock face. Now you get a nice pint out here, and I had my dinner here in Nottage, the cottage. Right there. A fantastic chicken curry was had. Hey, the weather stays like this today, lads, or gets better. Wouldn't that be fantastic? See what we can find. Hello, puppy. Where are we going today? I think today we'll do a wee bit of the Ring of Kerry, but mainly we're going to do the Gap of Dunlow on our way up to Dingle, where Ireland's most expensive animation festival happens every year, and I'm not afraid to chastise them for it. Bit of money grubbing, if you ask me. Now Maureen, who runs the Galley Cove B&B that I stayed in, was very thoughtful. She put a flannel or a little towel across the seat of the bike so that it wasn't all wet for me in the morning. Very considerate. Next stop, Petrol. She did about 200 miles plus 15 reserve, and you can see the light is flashing. It just means it's extra low right now. It just means that it's not low enough to be on constantly. So, you know, we're doing okay on the fuel economy. At least according to Daisy's speedometer of, or odometer rather I should say. Now, there's the view we were deprived of yesterday. A GS. From Estonia. Poor Daisy, very insulted. She turns to look at the GS, but not the lovely. Oh, that won't do now. Ah, it's his magical era. It's like... It's lovely. Now, there's that fantastic structure here on the left. Maybe there'll be some signage. Yeah. Any guesses, lads? I'll of course search it online to figure it out. Dangerous wall. Unsafe structure. Look, I'll throw in what I find online here, and maybe it might have been interesting, or maybe it might have been something extremely mundane. Either way, it's a bit of a behemoth on the side of the mountain. Here comes some motos. A lot of them. Hi guys. Good. Not one way back. Okay, one. Hi. Those pumps look good. But how does one get to them? They're like right on the street. Before you lift the handle, how do you wish to pay? By card, please. Thank you, my good man, robot. Okay. She probably had a good 40 miles left in her. But best not to test that. Not sure if you care to see me filling up the tank with fuel, but sometimes people like to see these sort of things, so here you go. Hello, puppy. Thank you. Now, Daisy, are you satisfied someone gave you the thumbs up? As I was doing my directions, that man was smiling away looking at the bike across the road. Sometimes, I know most people hate driving behind a big white van as such, myself included too, but sometimes it can be a good thing on roads like this to curb my own enthusiasm, so to speak. I don't know. People said they wanted to hear my thoughts more as I'm on the road. That's one of my thoughts right now. Ah, come on, give us a good view. Normally I'd stand on the pegs, but you can understand why on this trip I'm a bit hesitant. Ain't it fabulous? I know before on this channel I gave out about, well, not gave out, but I was joking about how Freddie Dobbs keeps saying everything is absolutely stunning. Well, mine is, oh, isn't that fabulous? I guess we all just fall into patterns of praise. But it is fabulous, and it is absolutely stunning. Look at it. Ah, you have to love it. Hey. Thank you, man. Hey. Goodbye. Now, Daisy, it's all you. Falcha go Bantry. Welcome to Bantry. I've said it 17 times and I'll say it again. Flippin' fabulous. One of the best parts of Ireland, I'd say. This whole Kerry, Cork, West Cork. Love it. Although I have never been to Sligo Galway way, so they might give us a run for our money here, but as it is, this is beautiful. Probably would have made it here for petrol. But we don't like to show off, do we, Daisy? Because that usually ends up with us getting our own comeuppance. Probably the barracks, is it? Bantry House and Guard. Now, then Gareth might pick up a slice of lunch there. That poor guy, he's not happy. Oh God. Which way? I would say this way. I'm gonna check the map because I have no idea what's going on here. There's a super value there. I think this would be a much nicer spot to get some lunch. Lovely chicken fillet roll with a view. Right. Lunch is sorted. Well, lunch has been had. Oh, you're facing the wrong way. So next, we're going to pass through Kenmare and all that, and we're going to head straight towards the Gap of Dunlow, and I might find somewhere to get a coffee or like an ice lolly beforehand before we head in there. You know what I mean? It's that kind of day, thank God. Welcome west, where whiskey is best. I'm enjoying these curves on the road, both for, you know, curves are one of the funnest parts of driving on a motorcycle, but also this back tyre on the Mitas tyres wear down real fast, and I mostly have tread on the sides. I have enough legally in the middle, don't worry, but I feel a bit more secure tilted, you know. I presume he was waving at me. Come on, come on, there's a good view here. No, not quite. Ah, here we go. a great view. You know, this video will be 2 hours long if I was to film every fantastic view, so that's why I often do the montage thing, just to show you some of the best bits, but it's all the best bits. So, what can I do? Look at all that. If you're coming to Ireland and you're motorcycling, get down here. Just some fantastic roadways and slice of something real of Ireland, you know? I'm refraining from slagging Dublin as I'm known to do, but come out here. You have to go through Dublin, fine, but you know, make your way through quickly. I wonder what the rent is like if you were to move down here and live, huh? Plenty of food options. They even have a Garnish Island, or Greenwich, and Seal Island. Now, here we are going the Caha Pass. Caha. Mr. Saddlebags, how's that for a gateway with a view? Huh? They don't get much viewier than that. Chances are though that you've driven past this gateway yourself. Oh, we do love the mountains, Daisy. I may end up splitting this day into 2 videos because I feel like I'm recording a lot because there's a lot to see. Legalize it now. Sweeping rock formations. Whoa. Are your lights on, Daisy? Well, actually I'm wearing sunglasses, that's why I can't see. Yeah, they are. Oh, that was fabulous. I'd almost believe I was back in Germany. Ah, just yes! Welcome to County Kerry. This is fantastic. I love it. It's a good day, Daisy. This is fantabulous. Splendiferous, as Mr. Ting might say. This is it. This is one of the best roads in Ireland, in my opinion. I love this. Is that coming across on the camera? I don't know. We might pull in somewhere just to let the bus get ahead and enjoy the view in the meantime. Oh, he's pulling in. Never mind. Thank you. Never seen Ireland at such a large scale, you know what I mean? So as I was saying, in Europe, like, it almost dwarfed Ireland, but this is massive. Wow. That's Caha Pass. Little motorcycle gem. Druid's View. I see a statue of the titular Druid. Then Druid's got a nice view. We'll carry on. Doubtful you'll see it on the GoPro, but moon is out. Right there. See it? Welcome to Kenmare. Originally I was going to stop here for lunch, but let's keep the ball rolling. That clock somehow has settled an hour ahead of the actual time. I don't know how, because on the holidays in France it was just giving any time it felt like whenever I checked it. Fáilte go Kenmare. Hey, Royal Enfield Intercept, no, Continental. Fabulous. If the owner of that bike is watching, drop us a comment. Next up, Ringa Kerry, Gap at Dunlow. Now one of them had a camera, so I wonder, are they fellow YouTubers and will we see their video? Will we see me in it? I don't know. Keep an eye out though. Give me a shout if you find it. Now, here comes a motorcycle steed with a sidecar. It's a Royal Enfield. Ah, fabulous. Wallace and Gromit, cream and custard Royal Enfield with a sidecar. That is fantastic. My 30th birthday is coming up in a couple of months, so if anyone's super rich on YouTube and wants to get me a beautiful gift, get me one of those. My dream would be motorcycle, sidecar and beagle or German shepherd. Some kind of canine companion, maybe even a Shiba Inu. Just go on adventures, I'd love that. What were those hill forts or ring forts back in the day, judging by the discoloration in the soil? Dr. Spillane, if you're watching this video, would you formulate us in the comments? I'm coming back here. This is stone's throw away, no ferry. It's fantastic. It's just delighted. Here's Moll's Gap, and I think I'll stop here for a quick break with a view. There's a couple of sheep here we have to be aware of. Sorry buddies. Oh, what do we have here? Something nice. I think it's down this way. Now, you wouldn't want to be speeding down these, would you? Also, that was nice Moto Guzzi back there, wasn't it? Woof. We could probably do this all in neutral, as it's all slightly downhill. But second will do us fine. Absolutely pleasant. Welcome to the Welcome to the Black Valley. Fáilte go dtí an Valley Dubh. Whatever valley is á scéalga. So we came from just up there. And the road down here is almost invisible among the scenery. Now this is a glacial valley, and a better geologist than I could tell you more. For this CC of moto, I think these kind of roadways are some of the best you can get. I think that Guzzi is on Rootsy in my mirror. Some kind of round headlighted moto is anyways. Went flying there for a second. What a view. Thank you. Very kind. Oh, Monsieur Leguzzi has caught up to us. If it is in fact Monsieur Leguzzi. Or Signor Leguzzi. Can Bullet give Guzzi a run for its money? Find out today on Bullet Wanderer. In any normal street race, of course, Bullet will be left to the dust, but I think in roads like this, she stands a chance. Now, how's the battery on this? It says 27. Would that get us through the gap? Only one way to find out. Here we go. Dapper done low for 6 kilometers. Should have geared down for your days. Yes, you should have, said she. Fantastic. Phew! That road turned fast, I broke faster. We caught up to Mr. Guzzi. Cheeky picture. I guess we're going to be piggybacking off each other the whole way down. Now, there's no cars for a little bit. Take a quick damn picture. Really appreciate it. Any chance for catching them now? Yeah, we'll see. Woohoo! Yup. Thank you. Now, I think one of these bridges is the wishing bridge that you make a wish as you cross over it. So comment your wish below now, if that was it. Great day. Nah, it's gotta be a wishing bridge. Oh. Me father warned me there'd be horse and cart, and he was right. There's been more evidence of the horse than there has been the horse. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have to say hi to him, aren't I? I just thought I'd have to stop and say hello to you. We passed each other so much.
For showing me the road.
Yeah, no problem.
Are you from around here?
No, I'm a couple of counties away. I'm just touring myself.
Okay.
Moto Guzzi V7, is it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
From 2020.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Well, you'll probably pass me out again in a few minutes, but if not,
I don't know. I'll just the road.
it was nice talking to you.
Thank you.
And shoot me a comment. There'll be a video of this. Is that okay?
Oh, that's
You'll be on the video if that's alright.
awesome.
Yeah.
you too.
I'll head on. So nice talking to you. See ya. I forgot to ask his name. Right, according to Google Maps, this is the centre of the Gap of Dunlow, because I put Gap of Dunlow. Hello. Gap of Hello. This is the centre apparently. See, does it? Don't want to scare the poor horses. Na Copley, Kupla couple. Couple of horses. Woo! Proper roller coaster roadway. Jesus. Skidded. Scary. Yeah, that's what I get for back braking only. At least I controlled it, eh? Salon Gadion, Gap of Dunlow. I think that's Skellig Michael way out there, possibly. I'm not sure. It's an iconic looking island though.